Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with Etex Communications. Here's my take on Etex Communications, an internet provider I've had the chance to use. Etex Communications is a Texas-based internet service provider that primarily focuses on serving rural and underserved communities. They offer a range of service tiers, encompassing both fiber optic and DSL connections. These plans cater to a variety of needs, from basic browsing with slower speeds to robust fiber optic plans offering up to 1 gigabit per second for households and businesses requiring high-performance internet. For those who need low latency for things like online gaming, video conferencing, or streaming HD content, their fiber services are especially attractive. One of the things that distinguishes Etex is their dedication to community-focused service. They place a high priority on ensuring reliable internet access for rural areas, making sure these communities aren't left behind in the digital age. Etex also offers bundled packages that combine internet, phone, and TV services, simplifying bill management and potentially saving you money. In my own experience using Etex Communications, the internet speeds have been consistently reliable. The fiber plan, in particular, performed exceptionally well, effortlessly handling multiple devices and bandwidth-intensive tasks, such as streaming 4K videos and downloading large files, without any noticeable interruptions. While slower than fiber, their DSL service still provided a stable connection adequate for everyday tasks like browsing emails and light streaming. Customer service was another positive aspect. Etex's local support team responded quickly to my inquiries and efficiently resolved any issues I encountered, leading to a smooth and positive overall experience. The installation process was professional, with clear instructions and minimal setup time. The main drawback is Etex's limited coverage area, which is currently restricted to certain parts of East Texas. If you live outside their service region, you'll unfortunately need to consider other providers. However, if you are within their coverage area, Etex Communications offers reliable, community-focused service with competitive speeds, particularly with their fiber optic plans. For more detailed information about their services and plans, be sure to check out the links provided in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review has been helpful.